Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add website to home screen on iPhone 12. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, go ahead and open your browser. This could be Safari or it could be on any browser. So here I'm going to use Safari. Open Safari and then go to the website you want to add to your iPhone home screen. So you just need to come to the search bar here and then type the website address. Now, while on the website page, locate and click on the share button, then hang on. Now swipe up here and I want to locate add to home screen. Click on it, then go ahead, give this a name and then tap add at the top right. Then you should see it added to your iPhone home screen. Click on it again, then it's going to open this straight on your browser. You see that? So even if you use Safari, you can still use the same thing, or even if it's Chrome. So that's exactly how to add a website to home screen on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.